The Philosopher's Stone, Parasmani. Once there was a shopkeeper who sold edible oil for a living. He had a small shop in town and was constantly busy making small sales to his customers. One day, a Mahatma was passing by his shop with the Parasmani. The Mahatma had decided to give this precious stone to the simple merchant for safekeeping. He took out the Parasmani and explained to the shopkeeper, "This is a Parasmani. If you touch it to any iron, the iron will turn into gold. Keep it with you. I'll come to retrieve it on my way back." The shopkeeper was completely engrossed in his business. Hurriedly he told the Mahatma, "Whatever you have, put it on the shelf in the corner." The Mahatma placed the Parasmani on the shelf and went away. The shopkeeper was so engrossed in his menial business transactions that he never found time to even look on the shelf. The Mahatma returned after 6 months. He imagined that the shopkeeper must have surely become rich and happy by now. But on entering the town, he saw that the shopkeeper was running the same shop in the same old state. The Mahatma went to the shopkeeper and asked for the Parasmani. "Swamiji, please take it from wherever you left it." The Mahatma saw the Parasmani on the shelf in the corner. The stone was covered with dust. It was obvious that the shopkeeper did not understand the importance of this Parasmani. Reprimanding the shopkeeper, the Mahatma told him, "In your 2-penny business, you have ignored this magical Parasmani. You have not seen the greatness of this Parasmani." So saying, he asked for some pieces of iron. However, the poor shopkeeper collected 2 pounds of iron. As soon as the Mahatma touched the Parasmani to the 2 pounds of iron, it turned into gold. The shopkeeper jumped with excitement. He asked the Mahatma to leave the Parasmani for a little while longer. "Fool, I left it here for 6 months. Sorry, but it's your loss." So saying, the Mahatma walked away with his Parasmani. We have been blessed with the Parasmani in the form of this satsang, but idleness and negligence obstruct us. We can turn ourselves into precious gold if we practice satsang wholeheartedly by body, speech, and actions.